Boss Dreamer. I'm Katy from katythebusinesscoaching.com, and today is another Tip Tuesday. I have my jar with questions ready, and let me pick just one to answer to you. Here we go with today's question. Can I become a personal brand? Actually, no. You cannot become a personal brand. You are a brand already, and whether you want it or not, whatever you've been doing so far was creating your brand. The thing I can definitely tell you to do or advise you to do is to build your personal brand more consciously from now on. Your brand is anything you do, how you react to things, how you are dealing with stress, how you are dealing with customers, how you're dealing with your day-to-day work and day-to-day assignments. All those things gathered are creating in the eyes of others the brand that is called you. As I said, you cannot become it, as you are you since the day you were born. But the important thing you can do is to create more consciously the awareness of the message that you and your personal brand wants to pass. Think of the values which should be carried with your brand. Think of your mission, your vision. Think of your personal statement that will describe you, what you do, and how you act and how you help others. I hope now you will go and become a conscious personal brand. And that's something that you can for sure do. Be conscious about any action that you take so you'll be seen as you want to be seen.